Hey guys, we're out here today with Absolute Airflow. We're doing a basic install and we'd like to walk you through this process, give you an inside look at what actually goes on behind the scenes. So our first step we're going to start with is demolition of getting rid of the old equipment. First thing we're going to do is we're going to start at the AC condenser. We're going to evac all of the Freon that is in the copper line sets, so we're not releasing any toxins into the air. At the same time, the installers are going to be up in the attics and they're going to start tearing apart the old furnace, existing coil, and any other connections that we may have. Once we are completely satisfied with the empty space where the old furnace was sitting, we've got it cleaned up and prepped for our new equipment, then we'll begin raising the furnace, coil, and any other components that we need to complete the job up into the attic. At the same time, the guys outside, they're going to be removing the power disconnect switch from all the electrical and the copper line sets so that we can get this pad prepped for our new condenser install. We're leveling out ground, leveling the condensing pad, putting a plastic pad down, whatever we need to do to make sure that this thing's going to have the best longevity that we can possibly provide for the equipment. Once everything is set in place where we'd like it for its final resting ground, we're going to start making our connections. This includes our gas lines, which always comes as replaced as a standard product of ours. On any install, we're going to be installing new condensation lines as well as running new electrical and flue piping to get this thing back up to code. Once everything is set where we want it, we're happy with the resting place of the furnace, we're going to start connecting the copper line sets and welding that in. Once the copper connections are connected at the coil and the outdoor condensing unit, we'll begin doing an evac and charge of the existing line set for the Freon. While that process is going on, we're going to be inside the customer's house and we're going to be installing the Nest thermostat. While we are setting up the thermostat and getting it connected to the Wi-Fi, we'll be evacuating the line sets and they should be completed at the same time. At that time, we can check for proper operation of this furnace and this system, and we can go from there. Once the system is operational and we are happy with our numbers and the performance of this system, we'll be getting the customer down, making sure that they are happy with our installation and going everything they need to know about their new system. Thank you guys for watching this video today and getting a behind the scenes look at what goes on a basic install here at Absolute Airflow.